Well, hello there everyone. I'm Christy and welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to take this broccoli and I'm going to transform it into a delicious side dish. I'm going to roast it in the oven with some garlic and Parmesan, and it's going to be delicious. Now, if you have never roasted broccoli, you'll want to watch this because I'm just saying there is nothing like it. It is so, so yummy. So let me show you just how to make it because it's that time to get cooking. All right, so I have rinsed my broccoli and now I'm just kind of patting it dry with some paper towels. Then I'm just going to cut off the florets. I have a bad piece here. I'm just going to trim that off. And I want to cut them into some smaller pieces. However big or small you want them. I like them like bite size. All right, this looks like enough for me and my family, but you could use both heads of broccoli if you wanted, but this is all that I'm going to use for myself. All right, I'm going to place my broccoli in a bowl. So I've melted 3 tablespoons of butter. You could also use olive oil if you like, and I'm going to mince 2 cloves of garlic. For this recipe, I find that fresh ingredients like fresh broccoli, fresh garlic is best. All right, so I'm going to pour my butter over my broccoli. And I am drizzling over about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Now, I don't have exact measurements for this. You can just melt the amount of butter that you think will coat your broccoli really well. I just like to add a little bit of olive oil just to make sure that it's nice and coated. I'm going to sprinkle over some salt. Also, I have a little bit of pepper. A little bit more olive oil. So that was probably around 2 tablespoons. All right. So I'm going to grab my baking tray that I've lined with aluminum foil and greased with some nonstick spray. And I'm just going to dump this broccoli onto my baking tray. And I'm just going to spread it out. All right, then I'm going to bake it in a 425-degree oven for about 15 minutes. All right, so I've pulled the broccoli out of the oven. Now I'm just going to sprinkle some of this freshly grated Parmesan right on top of each piece. All right, back in the oven for about 5 minutes. All right, easy peasy and delicious. And of course, I've got to check them out. Oh my goodness. The Parmesan gets nice and crispy. I honestly think I could eat this whole pan. Seriously, it is that good. If you're a broccoli fan, you will want to try this recipe. Well, thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.